What's going on? So today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Surprise Couple After They Refuse to Return Penske? I don't even know how to say that. But the rental truck for months, all right? I know that's the that's them little yellow trucks, ain't it? You know, like the not U-Haul, but the other joints. Penske? Yeah, whatever. Anyway, we're gonna get into it, man. We got the vibe right now. We got the the energy is right, you feel me? So let's get into it, man. Let's see what they talking about.
On May 8, 2024, officers responded to a call from a rental company about a customer not returning a vehicle for over 3 months.
Anything at I'm just saying, but I'm not from here.
Is that your husband or whatever over there?
Sorry.
How was this stolen?
Well, you guys didn't return it, apparently.
They take money out of my account for it every day.
They reported it stolen. I'm guessing they probably asked you for it back, too.
No, they have not.
We'll get it figured out. What was his name?
Harley. I think that's yes.
Are you Harley's significant other?
Yeah.
Come chat with me. Okay, what's going on with this truck?
Okay, so I rented it, and they take it every day, by the day, out of my bank account. So like, and I mean, when I rented it, I paid the deposit and everything. And he asked when I wanted to return it, and I was like, I kind of don't know at the moment because like I'm slowly moving stuff. And he said that was fine. Just make sure that I'm able to pay it and the deposit stays in the account, which they've already, I mean, there was no way for me to take the deposit out because as soon as I swiped my card, it was already pending. So I can't use it anyway. It's still pending.
So what do they charge you a day?
It's $39.99.
A day?
Yeah.
And you've been paying that?
Mm-hmm, yeah. It showed, the last bank statement that I seen, it showed it was coming out. And they still have the pending $150 deposit that I paid too. So I figured that it was good, which my mom did. And to be honest, because I don't like to lie, but my mom did say that I should probably check in, make sure that, which I.
Have you talked with anyone there?
I emailed, somebody emailed me, or it wasn't somebody, I think it was like an automated thing, and it was like, your rental is, you know, how's your rental or something like that. I don't exactly remember.
Guilty. Guilty, 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 guilty. You know how I could tell? Her body language. She's so nervous to talk. She's so nervous. Barely any eye contact. When she makes eye contact, she does a little squinty thing. Listen, it ain't that sunny out there, okay? Guilty. Guilty.
Or it wasn't somebody, I think it was like an automated thing, and it was like,
Look
your
at her
rental
voice.
is, you know, how's your rental or something like that. I don't exactly remember exactly what
Did
it
they
said.
ever say anything to you about it being overdue?
No, I don't have nothing, not that I remember, no.
Look, who is she looking at? Who is she looking at? A body camera is like in the middle of their chest. It's in their chest. This lady can't even look the officer in the eye. Like she would be looking up. She looking down, looking away, playing with her hand. Her voice is crackling. Guilty, you lying.
I don't think so. Nope, actually, no.
They have your phone number and email, it sounds like, right?
Mm-hmm, yeah.
Your up-to-date information?
They have my email, yeah. I don't know about, they should, my phone is, I was getting ready to get one today, it's off, so, but, not off, it's on, but I don't have my phone.
Okay.
And my mom was going to buy me one today.
Okay. So is this is in your name?
Yeah.
Okay. Is your ID out of here in Illinois?
Yeah.
Okay.
And I mean, I don't know. I thought that it would be okay, I guess.
Did you ever have an agreed upon date to bring it back? Do you have a copy of your rental agreement somewhere?
I did, but I don't honestly know where. I mean, it might be at home somewhere.
Well, just from my experience, both as a police officer professionally and then personally renting cars, there's normally an agreed upon
Right.
date to bring it back. Did that ever happen?
I think that I just rented it, and I swear.
I mean, it would be very obvious on the paperwork or whatever they emailed to you if that was the case. So when they check the paperwork, is there going to be a return date is what I'm asking.
There might be, honestly. But I was pretty sure that I said that I wasn't 100% sure.
Okay.
But I could be wrong. Well, when I got the truck, I was moving and I was in the process of trying to get a car, and
Okay.
I've had a lot going on, so.
I get that, but it doesn't necessarily mean you can just keep a rental indefinitely, because then they report it stolen because they don't have their car back. I mean, this is a nice truck. Probably cost them a bunch of money. You know, they can't just rent it indefinitely. Does that make sense?
Yeah. And
Okay.
I guess I thought that it was okay since
Okay.
I could just pay for it, you know, like I was, I guess. I don't know.
What's your husband's name? Harley or something? He's got a warrant, so that's why he's in handcuffs right now. Plus, he hopped in the driver's seat. Yeah. Okay. I'm being told that they double-checked the Penske agreement, and it was a one-day rental.
Yeah, that's why I was just telling him where he went, but I was just telling him that I said that I wanted to, like I was telling you, that I didn't know like exactly how long, so I told him I was like, for now, one day, so then I, you know, like I said, for now, one day, and then I was like, I didn't know how long I was going to need it, so I figured since it,
Okay.
but I get what you're saying.
Well, let's just kind of think about this.
I know.
Let's say you loan your friend a car for one day. When do you expect the car back?
In one day.
Okay. Do you think that the Penske probably thinks the same thing? Of their probably $40,000 truck?
Probably, yeah. But I didn't even, you know, think of it like that, I guess.
Yeah. Well,
If I
Is it me or is the audio jacked up? Do y'all hear that? Does it sound weird or is it my headphones? Is it my headphones? Let me go back.
and
okay.
I've had a lot going on, so.
I get that, but it doesn't necessarily.
Okay, yeah, it's just a body cam. Cause I'm like, yo, what the hell?
We should probably do that, just so there's no questions about when it needs to be returned or what could happen if it's not returned. You know what I mean? Okay. So how long have you had it? I don't have their report. They're gonna know.
He said February. I thought that.
Whoa.
I know. I didn't realize when he said
February. That's not
when he said
close.
February, I was like,
If it was
really?
a month-long rental, you would have been way over.
That's what I said. He said February, and I was like, really? I didn't feel like it. I mean, it was cheaper. It's cheaper than a rental car, so I was like, whatever. I'll just pay that by the day. I didn't.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Well,
And I was paying for it. I mean,
I'll tell you that these rental companies like Penske and U-Haul, they have an extraordinary amount of leniency when it comes to returning these. Like a lot. Like it could be probably a month overdue and they might still not call us. Well, they called about this one and reported it stolen.
probably because it's February apparently.
Yeah. Have you had it here in town?
Yeah. I mean.
Up at your apartment? Okay. Dude,
I mean, like I said, I've been driving it. I mean, they had to just report it. I don't know how long ago it was, but I mean, like I said, I've had.
what about Harley here? When did he think this rental agreement was supposed to be over?
He doesn't. He don't really pay attention to nothing that I do. That's all. I mean.
Did you ever talk about it with him?
No, because we don't.
Well, then I'll get something.
It's my money, so I basically just do what I.
Has he been driving it?
No, I drive it. I was still shopping when they were sitting in the car, so.
He hopped in the driver's seat. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah, I know. Well, from what I was told, I mean, they were just sitting out. I mean, I was in there shopping. We were all in there, actually. They came out before me because the lady charged me for, like, I had 3 items. She charged me for 4. She accidentally scanned something twice. So I got back in line.
Okay.
And returned it and then got my $5 back that she.
Okay.
So they all came out here waiting on me.
Okay.
So there's obviously a discrepancy on the time that you were supposed to have this vehicle, right?
Yeah,
I mean,
that's
I get lied to for a living. I just find it very difficult to believe that you didn't think you had to return it after like that one day.
It's not that I didn't think I just thought that. I mean, I'm being 100% honest. I really thought that since I was paying by the day,
I mean, you're an adult.
It would be okay.
You're an adult. You're a mom. You make a lot tougher decisions than when that needs to be returned, right? I mean,
You're right, and I am a mom, and things have been tough for me, and including not having, I mean, a vehicle. So like when I think about things like, you know, $39 is okay. I already got the car. I thought it was okay. You know, I mean, that was another tough decision that
I mean,
I had to make because
hey, I get it. I see how it could be very difficult, but at the same time, you can't.
I just had gotten a car.
Okay.
And the bank approved me and everything, and then they reassigned my car back to the dealership, and they couldn't find me a new printer, so they just came and took my car.
Yo, she don't even sound right. She talking about what she said. She said things have been hard for me, but you know, I didn't think nothing of it. It's just $39 a day. 39 times 30 is like what? Like 1,100? It's like close to $1,200.
Things have been tough for me, and including not having, I mean, a vehicle. So like when I think about things like, you know, $39 is okay. I already got the car. I thought it was okay. You know.
How the hell is $39 a day okay? You paying $39, 39 times 30. Let's just say it's 30 days in a month. That's $1,170. That's more than any motherfucking car note. Like that, like, God dang.
I mean, that was another tough decision that
I mean,
I had to make because
put your hands behind your back. We don't want to hear it.
I see how it could be very difficult, but at the same time, you can't.
I just had gotten a car.
Okay.
And the bank
here
approved
come
me
the
and
crying.
everything, and then they reassigned my car back to the dealership, and they couldn't find me a new printer, so they just came and took my car because I couldn't pay them the full $7,000. They just had to yeah, it's been one thing after another. It's a never-ending struggle with my life.
I mean, we deal with people on their worst days, and in the grand scheme of things, you're doing all right compared to a lot of people.
Today's my birthday too.
Is it really? I did not notice that.
Happy birthday to me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, the issue is if you're falling on hard times and you're trying to find reliable transportation, you can't just not return them.
I know.
Right?
I know.
Yeah, I mean,
You're right.
It's wrong.
You're right.
Okay. I mean, you wouldn't tell your kid that that's okay,
no,
right?
I wouldn't.
All right.
Sanitizer in my
Okay.
pocket.
That's fine. You can put it back in your pocket.
Okay.
You don't have anything else in your pockets, right?
No.
Okay. I'm going to just face my vehicle and put anything in your back.
The woman was charged with possession of a stolen vehicle and theft by deception.
Damn, that's crazy. I ain't gonna lie to you. Cops get a 3. Average. Satisfactory. They ain't do nothing too crazy. Questioned them. Whatever. They did their job. They get a 3.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.